Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. You're watching for Take. So this is the OnePlus 6. It's the amazing device which is getting lots of Android 12 custom ROMs. One of that is the Evolution X. We got the last update for the Evolution X 1 month ago. You can check that from the right side card. But on the 11th May, we got the new update Evolution X 6.3.2 Snow version 2. So today in this video, except the installation, you can check that from the right side card video. We will see the full new changes for the new update, performance and the stability check. We will also see the inbuilt oxygenOS camera is now fully working or not, as there are some issues in the old version. Some information about battery performance. Finally, I will tell you why you need to upgrade to this ROM as your new daily driver. Yes, you heard correct, you need to switch. Because there is some amazing feeling that I will tell you at the end. Now flashing of the ROM is completed, so without further ado, let's get started for the review of the ROM.
On a new adventure.
If you are on the Evolution X, you can download the update via inbuilt OTA updater, download the ROM and flash it via OTA updater. I am using the TWRP and I was on the oxygenOS using it from the few days. So I downloaded and clean flashed it via TWRP. So phone booted with the beautiful signature boot animation of Evolution X. As I done the clean flash, I need to complete the full setup of the device. Now let's check the about phone section because it gives us all the important changelog which receives in the every update. So this is the second most updated build of Android 12.1 for the OnePlus 6 and 6T with the old Android 12 Easter egg and the amazing Easter egg of Evolution X. This is the latest build of Evolution X Snow version 2 6.3.2. Security patch is updated to 5th May 2022. So the ROM comes with the latest Evolution X Plus kernel 4.9.227 built with the Google's client toolchain. Linux is in enforcing mode. This ROM is built on 11th May 2022 by awesome developer Anarim Bliss. Now let's see all the changes we get in this new update. First change is the ROM comes with the ACC Bluetooth codecs. If you are using the supported Bluetooth device like my Oppo Ekno M31, just you need to enable the developer option and go to the developer setting, and under the HD audio you will get this codecs. You can switch between the ACC, SBC and LDAC codecs. In the device extra setting, we get the new panel mode which has the standard, natural, AMOLED, white color gamut, sRGB and DCI-3 color modes for the display. I personally like the AMOLED white color gamut which gives the punchy look to the display. ROM got the all new KCAL setting which has the control for the red, green and the blue colors, but instead of that we also get the saturation, view and the contrast setting. If we increase the view and the contrast to the maximum, I can say you will be amazed with the new extra punchy look of the display. ROM has the updated DC dimming mode drivers at the kernel level which helps to save the battery for the device by dimming the backlight by lowering the DC current. Under the main setting and in the Evolve or miscellaneous tab, now we get the game space setting ported from the Mi 11 Pro. This setting is only available in the Siberia ROM also. This one is actually different from the game mode which you can find under the settings and app. We can use both of these simultaneously. In this, we get the dynamic mode to automatically detect the game's applications, changing the opacity for the notifications, tap for disabling the notifications alert, no ringing mode for the incoming calls, automatic answer for the calls, taps for disabling the swipe gestures and the USB debugging. Overall, this gives the advanced control for the gaming. We get the small overlay button when we place the games similar to the stock game mode. So we can change the setting at any time using these overlay buttons. In the miscellaneous setting of the Evolver tab, we get the hide apps from the app drawer setting. We just need to check mark the application that you want to hide, then go to the apps under the main setting of the phone. Force close the Pixel launcher to hide the applications. But remember, you will not get any section in the app drawer to use these hidden applications. You need to go to the stock setting application, then go to the app section, and from there you can open and use the hidden application. If you want to unhide them, uncheck them from the app hide setting and force close the launcher again. In the Evolver setting, inside the buttons tab, we get the show volume panel on the left. So it's now convenient to use the volume panel as our volume keys are on the left side. Now ROM comes with the expanded volume panel similar to Android 11. We also get the per app volume tab. Now if we enable this, we get the per app volume control tab icon in the volume panel. Just like here I open the YouTube, and if I now go anywhere in the phone, but when I open the volume panel, we get the per app tab. By using that, we can change the volume for only YouTube application. Now we get the quick switch button inside the volume panel to switch between different media output. If you connect it to the different audio devices, like here I am using my Oppo Vecno M31 earphones, we can switch media output between the earphones and the speakers by using this tab. In the miscellaneous tab of the evolver setting, now we get the two different tabs. First one is the allow application to downgrade, but it's only for the stock system applications, like we can downgrade the app versions for the Play Store, Google Play services like system applications. Another one is the ignore Windows secure flag setting. This removes the screenshot and the screen record limits for all the applications. Example, Chrome application, which is not allowing us to take the screenshot and the screen record. At the bottom, we get the radio tab. It's actually available in the last version. I forgot to give the details about it. It is the same setting when you get it via dialing the *** 4636 ###. They fix some IMS OLT calling issues for some networks which people's complaining about in the last version. We get the call recording feature available in the dialer, which records the calls, and you will get that recording in the call log. There we can hear the recording and share or delete them also. In the battery stats, we get the new setting for the battery charge warning. By using this, we can set the battery charge warning to desired percentage using the slider, and we can also set the ringtone for that warning. Another new setting is the Ideal Manager toggle. Actually, if we enable this toggle, then it stops all the non-essential background process when the device is in the idle mode. It helps to improve the battery also. So these are all the new additions with some old bug fixes and the stability improvement. Now we'll test the performance of the new update. As per the changelog, they added missing PASR HRDL interface leaps that significantly increased the performance and done the lag reduction, which I felt everywhere in the ROM. It's super smooth and the temperature of device is also staying cool all the time. I checked the temperature, it's staying between 45 to 50 degrees Celsius. After checking the Geekbench for the single core, I got 498, and for multi-core I got 1946. So it's not the superior result, but they are still the best, closer to the average results of OnePlus 6 on the Geekbench. I also done the GPU performance test on the OpenGL drivers. Here I got 2253, which are better than the average results of the Geekbench. SNAS safety net check got passed here, obviously, as we have the enforcing kernel, but the DRM info showing the void one L3 security level. But in the miscellaneous setting of the phone, we guessed the one interesting tab regarding spoofing the device as a Pixel 6 Pro to stream the content at full HD resolution. I didn't test the Netflix or the Amazon Prime HD, so please mention in the comment section is it working for you or not. So it's time to check the camera. ROM has the oxygenOS camera inbuilt similar to the Siberia OS. It has all the features like the portraits, pro mode, time lapse, panorama mode, HDR modes. All the things are working, even the slow motion works, but for first time it may cause the force close for the 1 to 2 times, but later it should work very good. 4K 60 FPS recording is also working in the camera. I shooted the videos and the pictures for all the features and they are working 100%. Final question arises battery life. As I already told that old ROM version has the battery stats similar to the Siberia OS video. That results were on the new battery which was replaced under the battery program by OnePlus. You can check that video from the right side card. I didn't test the full battery cycle as I flashed the ROM last night, so we'll report back soon with the accurate results. But still, we will get the better results if we enable the DC dimming and the ideal mode setting under the battery stats. So what are the bugs? I didn't face a single bug in the ROM, but the OK Google issue is still here. It's not working, but you can use the swipe gesture to use the Google Assistant. But if you enable the OK Google toggle, video lags for the few seconds again and again. So you need to disable that OK Google toggle to solve the video lag issue. But still, if you want to use the OK Google, use the Magix module given in the right side card video. Everything is tested. Now what is my final verdict? ROM is super smooth with the new fixes and there is minimal hitting you will see even after the heavy use. ROM comes with all the useful features with the pure look of Pixel ROM. This is the ROM along with the CyberOS with the fully working oxygenOS camera and the gallery application. Overall, it's a great package which is giving the tough fight to the top competitors of Android 12 custom ROMs for the OnePlus 6 and 6T. If you're still not convinced with my video, go ahead and flash the ROM and let us know in the comment section. For now, this is the ROM which has got the first position in my rank list. That's it for today guys. If you think I help you to choose the best custom ROM for the OnePlus 6 and 6T, please do like and share this video, subscribe our channel, press the bell icon for the notification of our upcoming content. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.